Hello there, Brett here at Kendal Automart. Just going to take you around this Skoda Yeti 2-litre TDI SEL outdoor diesel manual. Just came into us a couple of days ago as part exchange from our Seat dealership that we're in partnership with here. Finished in the lovely jungle green metallic and the 17-inch silver alloy wheels. But like I say, just come into us a couple of days ago. We'll go through service and MOT with our Honda main dealer technicians here as well, so that'll be done prior to purchase. As you come around the back here, you can see the tow bar for the vehicle and also the rear parking sensors. There is a little bit of damage on the paintwork here and on the plastics, but that will be done as part of our preparation and repaired with our internal body shop, so no need to worry about that. And that'll be complete. But I'm sure you'll agree, it looks a wonderful example apart from that small mishap there as well. But as you go inside as well, some great specification on the interior, included heated front seats. So you've got the full leather trim in here as well. You got 53,141 miles on the clock, your multifunction steering wheel, 2 manufacturer keys, and the auto headlights here as well. There you go. So you see the FM and AM radio. You've got your media options here. So SD card, USB, Bluetooth audio and auxiliary. You got Bluetooth telephone as well. So just press find telephone and pair from there as well. As you go into reverse, you see the rear parking sensors then become active on the park pilot there. And as I mentioned earlier, the heated front seats are just a little bit further down with your dual zone climate control as well. So you can have 2 sides of the car at 2 different temperatures. And the 5-speed gearbox is here as well. Service history of this one is great. So I'll just get that up for you here. So you've got your delivery inspection in April 2016. (2017) in October, you've got a service there. All with the same garage, you've got 2018 in November. December 19, and then obviously with the COVID pandemic, the next service is March 2021, and then finally May 2022. But like I say, we'll go through a fresh service and MOT with our main dealer technicians here at Honda as well on site before any sale. But thank you very much again for watching. Any more questions, let us know.